All right, team, it's the end of the week. It's been a big one. So this week was really cool because we continued on with our cold outreach. Managed to send out 900 emails, which was a big step up from what we've been doing previously. So far we're getting about an 18% open rate, which is pretty good. But I think it's far below the 60 to 70% that the experts say you should be getting. So we're going to keep iterating on those, keep changing up the subjects, keep changing out the body so that we can just increase that open rate. But from our cold emails, we've actually managed to get a handful of people that are actually interested from the cold email. So that's really exciting. It was really great to wake up to those emails. People keen to help out and see what it's all about. So on Wednesday, I drove up to Sydney and spent the day with Daryl, and we spent our time trying to improve our landing page conversion because we're getting quite a few views to our landing page, but we're not converting those into signups. So we want to actually have a look into that and see how we can actually improve that. Because if we're getting people there, we need to make sure our messaging is strong so we can actually turn them into users so they can actually try out the project. From there, we spent a bit of time going through some new user feedback. We've actually had quite a bit of awesome feedback. So you've probably seen us posting in the week talking about that. So some of the stuff, if we have a quick look, we can see what we've done. So in here, we've updated this channel switcher now because one of the users asked, is it possible to see all the channels at once? So you could be running multi-channel and you want to see all the content. So now this channel switcher lives across all these pages, and you can go from here and then you can swap to all channels, or you could do one at a time. Yeah. So it combines them all for you. So it's quite a cool feature. We've updated this. It looks a bit nicer as well. And then we've also gone ahead and added basically a little bit of polish here. You can hit the escape key now to close modals. Not a big thing, but it just makes it easier to move through the app without getting slowed down. So we did that. And then another thing that we also added was we've gone here and we've added and updated our errors because they were looking very ugly. So we've just made them a bit nicer here for everyone to see. So that was from our user feedback. As well as that, I'm also working on a new video. So I'm using Clipflow, which is helping me structure the videos. In the past, I kind of just did it as I went. But I'm using Clipflow to write out the script. So it's a new video on connecting Next.js with a Rails API. I'm filming that today and working through it. And hopefully that's out soon. We're going to be using Clipflow, obviously, to manage the process. And this is what we're doing. We're dog fooding our own product to see where the holes are and what can be improved. And we're going to work from there. So that is this week so far. It's been a pretty good one. Obviously, just keep grinding on those cold emails. Getting the feedback is awesome. And then also, thank you so much for everyone who does give us feedback. We really appreciate it. We are trying to build something for YouTubers, so we do need the feedback. We can go off in one tangent, but it's much nicer to hear directly from the users who are using the project. And one thing that we thought that would never be needed this early on is multi-channel. And look, here we are. We already got users starting with multi-channel. So that's it for this week. Hope everyone else had a great week as well. Killed it, crushed it, and we will catch you on the next one.